Hey guys, so today I'm going to do a video of all of my Dogman Flip O Ramas. I need two books left, but that's okay. I didn't put them in number order, but anyway, let's get started. For He's a Jolly Good Doggy. Now I just gotta flip through here until I find one. I'm sorry that other people don't do that, but I'm doing this anyway. Okay. Oh, and if I miss them, just tell me in the comments. Okay? Here we go. What goes up must come down and then back up again. I'm just skipping some pages so I can get there faster. There we go. Super Ahsoka. Okay. The Swing Set Smacker. The Seesaw Smoosher. Spring Break. This is the last chapter, and then I'm done with this book. Don't worry about that stuff. So, okay. Welcome back, Chief. Looking for another Flip O Rama. I don't think there's any more, but I'm just checking. Okay? But there is a Flip O Rama at the end of this book, so here we go. Hit. Wait. Hit. Hit. Hooray! Okay. Now let's go to the other Flip O Rama, which is right here. You'll howl with laughter. Ha ha, hee hee. Ooh. You'll scratch with suspense. And you'll scoot your butt on the carpet with joy. So that is it for the first one. Now let's do Dogman Unleashed. Okay, here we go. Flip O Rama. Who wants to go to the pet store? Who wants to buy a fish? Don't buy a dead one. Drop it. Let go. Cut it out. Okay. Okay. A fan with a plan. Zzz, bang, bang, bang. Bzz, 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 bzz. Like I said, don't just worry about that noise. Just listen to this. Jurassic bark. Ha ha. Ha ha hee hee ah. Ha ah 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 hee hee ah. There might be one more. Maybe one more Flip O Rama in here. Or maybe not. So let me just check. Yes, there is. Share terror. Don't get snippy with me. I like big cuts, and I cannot lie. Now let's see if there's any more. Yes, there is. It's at the end right over here. Bath time for Dogman. And this is just how to draw. Now we're going to do Dogman and Cat Kid. And like some other people that do these kind of videos might borrow all those Dogman books to make this video, but I'm not borrowing them. These are all my Dogman books. cut It's okay if I take too long. It's just that of this. Okay. Do, 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 do. Okay. So that is it. Dogman and Cat Kid. Now we're going to do Dogman Lord of the Fleas. This is one of my favorite books. I only need 2 left, and then this video is over. And if you have these books too, you can also make a video of all these Dogman books. This is one of my favorite books. And I've read this book like 2 times. I've read it one time. I read the book here, and then I read it at school while we were doing something. But I didn't get in trouble because my teacher was too busy doing stuff with people. Her name's Miss Huber, and she's a very nice teacher, and I like her very much. So, yeah. Anyway, back to Flip O Rama. Like I said the other time when I was doing the first book, tell me if I missed some. Oh wait, I think I skipped one. Yes, I did. And tell me if I skipped a Flip O Rama like I said in the first book when I was doing all the Flip O Ramas. And don't get mad at me if I missed some. You just tell me in the comments below. And whoever goes to Rudolph Mattis, which is my school, it's a very fun school because you get to like watch stuff on Miss Huber's, that's my teacher, computer thing, whatever, the TV. They have YouTube. It's so fun. So you should go there. I'm just saying that to remind y'all in this video. Okay. And there is a Flip O Rama back here, I think there's not. I just gotta see. Nope. Now I'm going to do Dogman, Brawl of the Wild. After this, I have one more book, then those videos will be done. Enjoy. Okay. Oh, and reminder, Dogman, A Cat Kid, Dogman, Lord of the Freeze, and Dogman, Brawl of the Wild, which I'm already doing, are new books that I got the other Saturday, or maybe the other one, I don't know. Just telling y'all so y'all can, y'all can tell me in the comments what you think when it came. If you don't believe me, you can do it in the comment section. And he's barfing on Chief, which is really disgusting. Okay, here we go. And if you don't know any of the Dogman names, just tell me in the comments and then I'll answer them in another video of Dogman. If y'all don't, that's okay. Y'all can do that another time if y'all want. Or you can do it this time. It doesn't matter, either one. Okay. I know there's another Flip O Rama. It is over here. Here it is. Okay. Okay. So I just want one more book. Okay. Dogman fetch 22. Stage 1, Anger. Ant versus Ant, 11:15 a.m. Stage 2, Angrier. Ant versus Beetle, 11:17 a.m. Stage 3, Super Anger. Ant versus Kid with magnifying glass. And this is the last time I'm saying this. If I miss some, you tell me in the comment section below. So, here we go. There's only 14 of the chapters in this book. So, I'm not going to take very long because it's almost, I'm going to take very long because it's almost the end of this video. And I might be running out of time too because my mom has to put this on YouTube. But it's not already since I'm already making that. People already know that. Oh wait, gentle Ritz. Delicate cleats. Relaxing blow dry. Okay. So that is it of all my Dogman books. So I hope you like and subscribe to this video. And reminder, if I missed any Flip O Ramas, tell me in the comments. And thank you for watching Gabriel's Toy Channel. That's not actually my real channel, but I'm just saying that. So anyway, thank you for watching it. I hope you liked the video. If you click the subscribe button down below, and then click the notification bell if you want. So, goodbye. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching. Bye.